Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Rodeo Room Show. And I just got a message about the FCC wanting to add a application fee to get a ham license. And earlier this year, it was reported that they wanted to get $50 for new applicants. And now, as of today, the ARRL is reporting that they've agreed to drop this down to $35 for a new license application. I want your inputs on this. In this, if you read this article, and I'll put a link to it in the description below my video, it talks about the fact that the new licenses for the past couple of years have really dropped. Matter of fact, on another website, I saw that in 2018, it had only grown by 1% over the previous year. I didn't find anything about 2019 and 2020. This talks about a little bit. And down at the bottom it says the effective date of the fee schedule has not been established. So it's not too late to get your license for free. I think it's free. And avoid either $35 or was $50, now it's $35. Which again, in normal times, right now, that wouldn't be an astronomical number. But right now, with all these things that are going in, people are really strapped for money. And even though a lot of people are getting into amateur radio as an outlet to kind of keep their mind off of the things that are going on, they probably don't have $35 to spare. And I don't think it's going to come from the government as a check in the mail. So just let me know. Leave a comment down below what you think. Is the $35 still too high right now? You know, and it may take them a year to actually pass this, because it's been on the books for almost a year now. The proposal came out earlier this year for $50, and now they've said, okay, $35. But is $35 too much? What do you think? If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up, and have a great day. Bye-bye.